Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for September 14, 2024, featuring the nightly planet parade finale, Moon targets Saturn. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunrise and sunset. Find those times in local sources. Beginning tomorrow, the sun sets before 7 p.m. in the eastern regions of time zones at Chicago's latitude. The nightly parade of the 5 bright planets ends today as bright Mercury departs the morning sky. Mercury aficionados can follow it for several more mornings with a binocular or telescope as it races into bright morning twilight. The 5-planet parade reconstitutes during mid-November, although a binocular is needed to see Mercury on the best night. Continue to look for Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars during the night. Uranus and Neptune are visible through a binocular. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. At 45 minutes before daybreak, bright Mercury is visible less than 5 degrees above the eastern horizon, 8.1 degrees to Regulus lower left, Leo's brightest star. Regulus is at the bottom of the sickle of Leo, a backwards question mark, outlining the lion's head. Mercury races into brighter morning twilight. It reaches a solar conjunction at month's end, followed by a reappearance in the evening sky. Goodbye, Mercury. At this hour, Jupiter and Mars are visible high in the southeast. Jupiter is the brightest star in the sky this morning. It plods eastward in front of Taurus, between the horns, Elnath, and Zeta Tauri, 11.0 degrees to Aldebaran's lower left, the bull's brightest star. Mars, mirroring the same brightness and color as Aldebaran, marches eastward near Tejas posterior, Castor's heel. The red planet passes 1.0 degrees to the upper left of the star. Mars is in the same binocular field with a star cluster, catalogued as Messier 35, a star cluster with a few hundred member stars. Saturn is too low in the west-southwest for easy observation at this hour. It sets 30 minutes before sunrise. In the evening sky. The bright gibbous moon, 87% illuminated, is about 20 degrees above the south-southeast horizon. It is approaching Saturn, over 35 degrees to the lower left. On the morning of the 17th, the moon occults or eclipses the planet from western North America and Hawaii. The duration of the occultation occurs over the Pacific Ocean. From eastern Americas the moon approaches the planet as the duo sets. Earlier this evening, Venus is low in the west-southwest at 30 minutes after sunset. The evening star is about 5 degrees above the horizon. It shines through the colorful light of brighter evening twilight. Venus is 4.8 degrees to Spica's upper right, Virgo's brightest star. Use a binocular to see them in the same field of view. Venus passes the star in a wide conjunction in 3 evenings. By 45 minutes after nightfall, look for Venus and Saturn in nearly opposite directions. The moon sets after midnight and a few hours before sunrise. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.